This video will be an overview of how to request a parent portal account on a laptop or desktop computer. If you need help getting your parent portal login information on your computer, go to ardale.org. When you get to the website, you are going to select the tab that says Quick Links. When you are at Quick Links, you will scroll down to Parent Tools. At that point, you will see that there are several options. If you tap on the plus for Parent Portal Access, you will see that if you have a question about your Parent Portal Access, you can contact Dina Lucas at dina_lucas@ardale.org or contact her by phone from the phone information. If you don't believe that you have a Parent Portal account, you can tap on the Parent Portal registration box. That will take you to this Google form, and you are going to answer the questions that are listed here on this form. Your full name, your street address, your city, your state, your zip code, and your home phone number. You will also include your email address. Then you will be adding the names of each of your students. So if you have only one student in the district, you would put it here, then add their name, then add their grade and the name of their school. If you have more than one child, you will continue to add that same information, their name, their grade, and their school as you go through the form. For additional children, please list them on this bottom line. Once submitting the form, you will be sent an email with your username and password. Please check your spam folder if you don't see the email, which will come from idmnotification@ardale.org. When you've completed filling out this form, please hit the blue Submit button.